Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wheel Wonderland. Today was a lucky day. We stopped by an ALDI here in Germany, and believe it or not, they had Hot Wheels. If you're new to the channel and you love hunting, collecting, and unboxing Hot Wheels, hit that subscribe button and join the ride. Let's dive into today's finds. And let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Enjoy the video.
First up, straight out of Gotham, we've got the Batmobile. Sleek black design, red accents, and that unmistakable silhouette. Whether you're a Batman fan or a Hot Wheels collector, this one is an absolute classic. Next up, the 71 Dodge Challenger. This one's a true muscle legend, blazing orange with bold black stripes and that unmistakable vintage silhouette. It's raw, it's powerful, and it's everything a classic Hot Wheels muscle car should be. A must-have for any serious collector. Now we have the Datsun 240Z. This classic beauty comes in a light blue color, decorated with cherry blossom graphics and bright pink rims. It's a perfect mix of Japanese heritage and Hot Wheels creativity, a stunning piece that stands out in any collection. Next up, the Quick Bite food truck. With its vibrant colors and bold Fuego fajitas graphics, this little truck brings flavor and fun to the Hot Wheels world. It's playful, colorful, and guaranteed to add some spice to any collection. And finally, we have the HW Design Center bus. Covered in bold, graffiti-style graphics, this bus celebrates the creativity behind Hot Wheels designs. It's colorful, wild, and a true rolling piece of art, a perfect finish to today's haul.